Ralph here once again, 60 seconds or less. The easiest way I've been able to find or kind of modify in order to read through a text file. These two parts here are not necessary. It's just to give you an example of how the code works. First what we do is we read through the text file. As you see right here, the open and the read chain together. And here is our text file. Now what we want to do is we want to pull the emails out from this text file. All right, so here what you have to do is you have to put into a list next. This is without using any loops or anything like that. So boom, we do that. And if you notice, that text file is now put in a list which is designed for iteration. Now from there, we basically do a little bit of list comprehension. We search for an @ sign, and this is the only code you actually need. And there it is. We iterate through this entire list and we pull out all the emails. Hope you find this code of use a little easy for beginners mainly. Catch you guys a bit. Ralph out. Catch you in a bit. Bye.